Hello my dear painters, let us start making a mushroom. Start from the stem, make 2 lines and join. From here, make a small circle till the edge of the other line and join this part also. From this part a little down, go towards the left and rise a little higher. Repeat this on the other side. Now just see, I'm not drawing, I'm just marking the position here. Just rise straight up and mark the position here. From this point you have to make a wavy line, like first going towards the left, then going a little inside, then again make a bump and join it here. Repeat on the other side. Go towards the left, come inside a little, and then again a bump and join down. Here make a slight curve and join this line. So this is your mushroom's structure. Now we will make some oval patches on the body of the mushroom. You can place them in random manner, or if you want to have some pattern, that is also good. Here we have to make some curved lines and it will join the outer circle. That's it. So the other thing which we will do here is make a small snail. You remember in the snail video we made a spiral going and like this, and the leg, semicircle for the head, and now the background. The background can be a few layers of grasses and bushes. So here we'll just make some zigzag lines. You've learned how to make grass in the previous videos. So we just make grass like this. The next layer will be bushes. So just make a few dots. Few dots in a curved fashion. And we don't join them straight, we just join them with jumping lines. And we make the bushes. Similarly, we will do the same here. We will make dots in a semicircle fashion, and again here if you want to make it higher, it's fine, and we just need to join it with small jumping lines. So this is how the second layer of bushes is done. And should we place a tree here? Again, a straight line with a curve tilting towards the left, and repeat this line only till a little far, and then make a V, and then make the other part of the trunk. And have you seen the earlier video in which we did jumping lines here for the tree? Okay, if not, then we can just repeat that lesson. So we can make jumping lines. Now this time all these things will not be same. It will be one small jump and one big jump, one small jump and one big jump, one small jump and one big jump, and this way we will make the tree. One small jump and one big jump, one small jump and one big jump. This is the way we will make the tree. If you want, you can just make some jumping lines like this to show the leaves. So, this is the end of our picture. We will do the outlines and get it ready for coloring. Yes, children, we can make a few stones over here as well. One or two, not many. And if you want, you can put a companion for your little friend on the mushroom, which is a little snail. You can put a few of them